In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image to any specific size in Google Docs. Whether you're preparing a presentation or simply want your document to look just right, being able to resize images precisely is a handy skill to master. Let's dive in and get started. First, what you'll want to do is select the image you wish to resize. Simply click on the image and you'll notice that a blue border appears around it. This border is your cue that the image is selected and ready for any adjustments you need to make. Next, you'll need to open the image options. Head over to the toolbar at the top of your screen. You should see an icon labeled Image Options. Give it a click. Alternatively, you can achieve the same result by right-clicking on your image and selecting Image Options from the contextual menu that appears. Either method will get you to where you need to be. Once you have the image options open, you'll want to locate the section titled Size and Rotation. In the sidebar that opens, expand the Size and Rotation section by clicking on it. This will reveal the options available to adjust your image's dimensions. Now, we get to the part where you enter your specific dimensions. If you intend to resize your image proportionally and maintain its original ratio, make sure the Lock Aspect Ratio box is checked. With this option, you can enter a value for either the width or the height, and the other dimension will automatically adjust to maintain the proportions. On the other hand, if you need to manipulate the dimensions independently, you'll want to go ahead and uncheck the Lock Aspect Ratio box. Once that's done, you can input your desired values for both the width and the height as per your requirements. This way, you can achieve the exact dimensions you need without any constraints. Finally, to apply the changes you've made, you can either press Enter or simply click outside of the text box. This ensures that the new dimensions are set and your image appears just the way you intended within your document. And there you have it. Resizing an image in Google Docs to specific dimensions is really that simple. Now, you're equipped with the know-how to make your documents look professional and polished. We hope this guide has been helpful for you. Thanks for tuning in and happy document editing.